The Xerox offer to take over HP has been on our next guest's radar for more than 5 weeks, and now he's sounding the alarm that Carl Icahn is a whale behind the possible M&A action. Joining us now is Don Bilson, event-driven analyst at Gordon Haskett Research Advisors. I guess we shouldn't be surprised that he's involved in the whole Fuji maneuvering, right?
Yeah, but we have reason to believe that he's also on the other side, which he's already at HP. One of the things that we do, my business is about providing people with intel into what could happen. And when we're tracking activists, one of the places that we look for signs of activism is in the filings of the investment banks that put people into swaps. And in the second quarter, Nomura was the biggest HP buyer in Q2, 31 million shares. That doesn't just happen. So as we saw at Aramark, Nomura put Paul Hilal into that position. We started thinking, why would somebody be at HP? And there's not really a good activist playbook there. There's a few things you could do here and there with pivoting operationally. But there's not a strategic move other than what was announced yesterday, which is a combination with Xerox. So we started banging away on this on October 2nd. We do not have confirmation that Icahn is there. That would make the most sense, and then he could basically be in a position to push from both sides.
Are a lot of these orders coming from Florida? You had to switch where you watch for Carl, I guess, and eventually for everyone, I guess, doing anything like this, right? Once they move.
Yeah. I mean, eventually, somebody else has got to be on the line. Somebody has to put you into one of these swaps, whether it's Credit Suisse, whether it's UBS, whether it's Nomura. They have an obligation to report it. And interestingly enough, it closes a loophole that the activists themselves
Andrew
have.
loves Bird. Do you have this guy's card? I mean, do you follow him?
We got to get together. I do follow him, but we don't know each other very well.
But
we need to know each other better, it sounds like.
Because this is a... Yeah. This is like, Blue Horseshoe loves Anacott Steel.
Do you follow private planes around in the whole thing, or what?
After we sniped out the Oxy thing, our provider took away our service because their buy side clients were getting upset that a sell side shop.
You had the tail numbers, yeah.
So we lost their service.
Getting back to the HP deal, though, is this not part of Carl Icahn's playbook, though, to have his position? His activist position in swaps as opposed to stock?
Not necessarily. I mean, Carl Icahn's 13Fs are notoriously poor for disclosure. They're watermarked with confidential status. For some reason, the SEC has allowed him to operate that way. So he has found a way to kind of game the system so he doesn't have to report. It's possible that Nomura reported for him. That's not to say Nomura, this has to be Icahn. This could be somebody else.
But does it make it more likely, in your view, that this deal gets done if it is Carl Icahn?
Marginally, yes. It would be useful if somebody is pushing from the other side. And I think it would be a good deal. And I think that it's not such a situation where you're looking for a natural hedge, where one stock's going to go down a lot and one stock's going to go up a lot. I think there's an opportunity for both stocks to go up.